Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about these products by Fanola. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys click on the subscribe button down below and also that bell so you get notified when I have a new video up. I basically do beauty, hair, lifestyle, and I also vlog about my personal life. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What is up guys? As you guys can see, my hair is quite ashy at the moment, and it's thanks to these products by Fanola. Now these are from the Fanola No Yellow range, and I've got the shampoo and the mask. So I was really lucky to be sent these products by AMR Hair here in Australia. Let's start off first with the shampoo. So this is a 350ml bottle, and I have to say this shampoo is very pigmented. Like, I have used so many different purple shampoos out in the market, and this one is by far, if not the most pigmented one I have ever tried. So yeah, this is really pigmented, and it definitely does stain your hands. I don't know if you guys can tell from that distance, but the cuticles of my nails are still stained. My hand is slightly still blue tinged, like I washed my hair last night, and yeah, it's very pigmented. If you guys have very dry hands, dry skin, I highly suggest wearing gloves because the pigment is just going to cling on it. Just take my word for it. Make sure you have moisturized hands prior to doing that, or just wear gloves just to be on the safe side. So it says here, apply to wet hair, massage, leave on for 1 to 5 minutes, lather and rinse, repeat if necessary. You can definitely customize how ashy you want the look to be. So if you just want to tone out a little bit of that yellow because it's getting a little bit too warm, definitely leave it in just for a minute. But if you guys are like me and you really want that silvery ashy tone, you can definitely leave it on for longer. And just with my experience with purple shampoos in general, you can just apply this on dry hair and you will find that it absorbs a lot more, and the color is going to be a lot more vibrant if you guys are really looking for that silver, almost purpley tinged hair look. Now in terms of how it feels once you rinse it off, I do find that my hair feels a little bit stiff. Now I have experienced this with a lot of pigmented purple shampoos, and my theory, now this is just my theory, is because my hair is so porous and the molecules are like competing, so the moisture molecules unfortunately aren't getting in as well, so it's just absorbing the pigment, the color pigment. So my hair does feel a little bit stiff, and I do have to say, just try not to rub your hair too much once you've rinsed it out. Definitely use a really good conditioner or the mask, which I'm going to be talking about as well. So this is the mask. As you guys can see, this one has a pump, so you can just pump out the amount of product that you wish. I find with my hair, I would say maybe like 3 to 5 pumps, just depending on how ashy I want my hair to look. But I do find that this is quite moisturizing enough that my hair, like once I rinse it out, like my hair actually feels like normal hair again. I do find that this is moisturizing enough for my hair. Now I do use a lot of treatments, a lot of oils, so my hair does feel like it's in relatively good condition. Like, I haven't bleached my hair in probably 3 weeks, and this is what my hair looks like right now, and I'd say it's pretty decent I have to say it's in pretty decent condition at this point in time. So I leave this in for maybe 5 minutes. It says here on the back that you can leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse carefully. If you guys have a lot of orangey tones in your hair, this is probably not going to work. It definitely just works on yellow hair, and depending on how porous your hair is, it's going to look different. So as you guys can tell from my hair here, the ends definitely have this nice silvery touch to them, whereas the roots, as you guys can see, they're not super bleached like compared to the rest of my hair. So there is a tad bit of warmth still there around here, around the hairline. Don't mind that, that's just makeup, but around here, as you guys can probably tell there is a slight bit of yellow still there, but it's not offensively warm, if that makes sense. You guys know what I mean, like brassy. It doesn't look like that. It just looks like a cool toned blonde, whereas the rest of it's silver. So that's what I mean. Like, it really depends on how porous your hair is, how light it is. So the effects is going to be quite different. So if you have very porous ends, they're going to absorb a lot more, whereas if you have like yellow patches like that, it's just going to tone it down. It's not going to completely tone it grey. If however you do have that problem and you want to sort of like mask it until you get to the hairdressers, I would suggest applying this on dry hair, like the shampoo, applying it on dry hair and just applying it on the yellow bits, and then just lather it once you're ready to wash the rest of your hair. That's just my little tip. I've had a few mishaps with bleach, so I know, you know, a few tips and tricks on how to just kind of like conceal it until you're ready to bleach it again. All right, in terms of do they live up to the hype? Yes, they definitely do. I am in love with the conditioner, the shampoo, just the formula itself. It works really well with my hair, and I have used so many toning shampoos, conditioners, like pretty much everything you can try at the drugstore I've tried out to help tone my hair, especially when I've had like accidents, like where I haven't bleached well enough. And yeah, these are the real deal. They're really, really good. They are a little bit pricier, I suppose, compared to stuff that you can get from the chemist, but you know, you're paying for the pigmentation, and these products do last quite some time. Like, you only need a little bit of each just to get the pigmentation that you need, and I'm just honestly super impressed. Now, some of you guys have noticed there is a giveaway in this video, and yes, I'm partnering up with AMR Hair and Beauty to give away 3 no yellow packs to my Australian followers. Now, the rules and regulations for the giveaway are quite simple, so everything will be listed down in the description box down below, and also the disclaimers, so that you guys know everything, you guys are well informed. So anyway, I'm going to talk about them. So the first one is, obviously you guys have to be subscribed to my channel, it's for my followers, and you also have to like this video. Also head over to AMR Hair and Beauty's channel and also subscribe to them. Head over to my Instagram account at MrKenDenis, like the photo, and also leave a comment saying that you guys have entered on YouTube. And head over back to the video and leave a comment leaving your Instagram name as well. So that's how I'm going to be checking if you guys are subscribed, liked the video, left a comment, also done all the Instagram stuff as well. That's pretty easy. If you guys are in Australia and you guys would like to win a pack, definitely just join. All the rules and regulations will be down in the description box down below again if you guys have missed anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!